Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, I posted an IGTV video quite some days back related to birthday gifting idea during quarantine, and I mentioned that I'll be posting a video on YouTube regarding my sister's birthday celebration and how you can celebrate and surprise. But due to some footage issue, I won't be able to share that. I hope you don't mind. So let's begin with today's video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a natural makeup look with you guys using only 3 products, and those are these 3: a foundation, a mascara, and a blush. So without any further blabbering, let's just get into the video. Okay, so before applying any makeup on your face, don't forget to prep your skin using some moisturizers. So I'll be prepping my skin first. I've taken a generous amount and I'll be applying all over my face. And don't forget the neck area, guys. Now for the lips, I'll be using this lip balm. It's from Lip Lock. And also I'll be mentioning all the links of the products in the description box. So if you want to check that out, you can do that. So let's start with the base. So before using the foundation, I have a lot of dark circles here, as you can see. So I'll be using this blush. It's a dark color blush, and this color right here, it's like a mixture of red and orangish. I don't know which brand this is. I actually picked it from a local store and it works pretty well. So yeah. So I'll take a little bit and just apply it under my eyes. I know this looks very bad, guys, but trust me, this works. So next up is this foundation. I actually don't have my correct shade, so I'll be mixing this both from Maybelline. I'll link them down. First, try to cover your eyes and also areas where you have patches or dark spots. You can see the difference before and after. The dark circles are absolutely gone. So I'll complete this. So I'll just give you a close-up of the difference. It's almost seamless. So now I'll again cover my whole face using the foundation. I feel this is a bit darker than my skin tone, but I'm just gonna work with this right now because I can't buy a new foundation during this lockdown. Actually, this is the first time I have ever purchased a foundation, so I am not sure about my skin color. I know this sounds really like what, but I was not a foundation kind of girl ever, so I don't have much of makeup also. This is all that I do when I work. We have covered our face. It looks almost like the same. Guys, don't forget your neck area. Guys, and also you can use concealer instead of foundation. It's not a compulsion to use a foundation only. Okay, so my base is done. So now I'll be using this compact from Maybelline. Guys, this is completely optional. I have sweaty skin, so I need to use compact or else my makeup don't last long. You can completely skip this. I'll just use a beauty blender only to use this. And it comes with a mirror. Great part. Guys, again, if you are using a compact, don't forget your neck part. So the base is done. As you can see, it looks flawless and also natural. It's not cakey. So now I'll set my face using this rose water. Yeah, guys, I'm very cheeky. So I have transferred it in the spray bottle. I'll just spray it all over. And let it dry for a couple of minutes. The setting spray has almost been dried out. Guys, I forgot. Shit. Yeah. Guys, apply foundation on your lips also. I completely forgot. Sorry. Yes, apply foundation on your lips also. I forgot. Sorry. So now my base is set. Let's start with the brush. So I'm again using this same. I'll use the upper one. This is a little pigmented blush, so I'll use only little. I just dabbed twice and so much came out. And this is little powdery also. Just smile and apply this at the upper of the cheeks. Now for our eyebrows and eyelashes, I'll use mascara. Yes. So let's start first with our eyelashes. So I've applied mascara. You can see my eyes are popping out. So now I'll use the remaining leftover on this spoolie, I guess, on this brush, and just go through around my eyebrows. Very light-handed. So my eyebrows are done. You can see how nice and bold they look. So we are done with our face. Now for the lipstick. Again, use this same blush. Take some and just dab it on your lips. Can you see the difference? Yeah, that is what I was talking about. Okay, so yeah, the lipstick is done and it looks absolutely like a matte lipstick. No one can guess that that's a blush. Okay, so guys, my makeup is done and this is the final result. I think this looks really good and it is like a natural makeup look. No one can guess that you have a lot of makeup on your face. Okay, not a lot, but yeah. Okay, so that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you like this natural makeup look I created. And if you create one of those, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I'll mention my link somewhere on the screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and share to my channel. Till then, see you all. Bye!